Morning students, in our today's class we will discuss the next chapter, or you can say the play, the Browning version, and this chapter or play is written by Terence Rattigan. Student, first of all, will talk about the author or a playwright, Sir Terence Rattigan. Sir Terence Rattigan was a British playwright. He was very famous British playwright. He was famous for his well structured plays and dramas, and he got enormous success in his career throughout. If we talk about the chapter or play, this chapter is a short extract from the play, from the one act play. The name of the play is The Browning Version, written by Terence Rattigan. It is a one act play set in a school. This play is set in a school. There are three characters in a play. The characters are Taplow, Frank, and Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplow is a 16-year-old student. Frank is young teacher. And Mr. Crocker Harris is a middle-aged school master. Taplow has arrived in the school to do extra work for Mr. Crocker Harris. He meets Frank. Taplow has arrived in the school to do extra work for Mr. Crocker Harris. He meets Frank and they both engage in a conversation while Taplow waits for Mr. Harris. Later enters Millie, another character, Mrs. Crocker Harris. She is a wife of Mr. Crocker Harris who talks to Taplow. So, in this chapter or in this play, we'll see a student attitude toward a teacher and a teacher's attitude toward another teacher. This is how this play is formed. So Browning, if let's talk about the characters of the Browning version. So first of all, Taplow, he is the 16-year main character of the play. He is a 16-year-old boy and present his view about his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, in a very frank and straightforward manner. He is respectful toward his teacher and likes him, although being much afraid of him. Now next is Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank is a young science teacher and shows better understanding of students' behavior. He envies Mr. Crocker Harris and thus likes him being criticized by Taplow. Mr. Crocker Harris, he is a strict disciplinarian. He follows rules unlike other teachers. He has a strong hold over his students. He hates flattery and buttering and doesn't want people to like him. He is a very strict kind of teacher. Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris, she is a young wife of Mr. Crocker Harris. She is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is very kind-hearted toward the student. So these are the characters of the play: Taplow, Mr. Frank, Mr. Crocker Harris, and Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. Let's talk about the summary of this play or chapter. First point is Mr. Frank converses with Taplow. So the scene of the play is set in a school. We have already discussed. The plays, students, the play opens with the 16-year-old boy named Taplow, who has been detained by his teacher to compensate for his one day's absence. He is waiting, Taplow is in the play, in the beginning, we'll see. He is waiting for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, who has not yet arrived. First point. Taplow waiting for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, who has not yet arrived. Another teacher, Mr. Frank, finds Taplow waiting in the room and starts talking with him. Taplow introduced himself and informs him that he is a student in the lower fifth grade. Chaplov introduces and tells Frank that he is a student in the lower fifth grade. He feels that he would specialize next term if he got promoted. He also tells Mr. Frank that Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell the students their result beforehand like other teachers. So Mr. Frank is surprised by this. He admits that the headmaster announces the result on the last day, but that's not criteria. Taplov says that it is only Mr. Crocker Harris who abides by the rules of not telling the students about their results before they are officially announced. So, this is how we can say that Mr. Crocker Harris is a very strict teacher who always follows the rules and regulations of the school. Mr. Frank asked Taplov whether he would pursue science if he gets a favorable result. You know, student, Taplov is going to get his result from the next day, but he came that day to attend the class of Mr. Crocker Harris because one day he missed his class because of his sickness. So he came in the class that day for his extra work. Taplov, then Frank meets him. Frank asks Taplov whether he would pursue science if he gets a favorable result. Then Taplov is elated by the thought. Mr. Frank laments sadly that he gets all the poor students. But Taplov says that he is extremely interested in science. Taplov is extremely interested in science. Moreover, he would not have to read useless plays like Agamemnon. Mr. Frank is a bit astonished at the thoughts of Taplov about the play named Agamemnon, thinking that he has gone too far. Taplov corrects himself, saying that the plot is good, but the way it is taught is terrible. The plot of the Agamemnon is good, but the way it is taught is really terrible. So, Taplov doesn't like the way of teaching, the way of Agamemnon the play was taught to them. Next points. Discussion about Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Franks thinks that Taplov sounds a little bit as he has been detained. Taplov informs him that he is there for extra work. Okay, he is there in the class at that time for extra work. Mr. Frank is more than surprised to hear that Taplov is doing extra work on the last day before the end of the term. Taplov informs him that he had missed a day of school the previous week due to illness, and so Mr. Crocker Harris asked him to do extra work in place of that. So he came there to attend extra work to Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Frank tries to calm him by telling him that he would certainly get his result the next day for being a good boy. Okay, but Taplov feels the other way. He asserts that he says that such rules do not work with Mr. Crocker Harris, as he is not like other teachers who appreciate students who do extra work. So this is also shows the characteristics of Mr. Crocker Harris, that he always follows the rules and regulations of the school, and he doesn't give marks to those students who flatters him. So he is not like other teachers who appreciate students who do extra work. Next point is Taplov criticism to Mr. Crocker Harris. Third point. The day before, Chaplov had asked Mr. Crocker Harris about his result. He tells Mr. Frank about it, about he tells Mr. Frank about what happened. He starts imitating or copying Mr. Crocker Harris' voice. Mr. Crocker Harris had told him that he had given Taplov what he deserved, no less and no more. Taplov is afraid that Mr. Crocker Harris would have rather marked him down for doing extra work. He's afraid, Taplov is afraid of it, that Mr. Crocker may mark him down for doing extra work. According to Taplov, Mr. Crocker Harris is a different kind of teacher. He is too strict and hardly human. Hardly human means having no feelings, no emotions. Then Mr. Frank pretends to be unhappy, but he encourages Taplov to imitate his teacher once again. He encouraged Taplov to copy Mr. Crocker Harris once again. Mr. Frank asked Taplov at what time he was supposed to meet Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplov informs him that he was called at 6:30. Mr. Frank points out that Mr. Crocker Harris was already 10 minutes late. Then he suggests that Taplov could go off and play golf. So this is how Frank encourages Taplov to cut the class of Mr. Crocker Harris. However, Taplov seems shocked at the suggestion and is scared that Mr. Crocker Harris might follow him home or somewhere else if he would cut the class of Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Frank tells Taplov that he envies Mr. Crocker Harris because all the students are scared of him. So this is the reason why Mr. Frank envious or jealous. Envious means jealous from Mr. Crocker Harris because all the students scared from Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Crocker Harris' personality. Next point about the personality of Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplov makes fun of Mr. Crocker Harris by saying that it would have been better if he were a sadist, as it would mean he has some feelings. Because sadist is a person who finds pleasure in giving pain to others. So Taplov makes fun of Mr. Crocker Harris, and he also said Mr. Harris was not a sadist person. But it would have been better if he were a sadist, as it would mean he had some feelings. But he is hard like a Mr. Crocker Harris is hard like a nut, without any emotion, without any feelings. He is heartless. He possesses no feelings at all. So this is all there in the personality traits of Mr. Crocker Harris. According to Taplov, he is hard like a nut, he is heartless, he possesses no feelings at all. Taplov feels that Mr. Crocker Harris is all dried up, and hates that people likes him. Yes, Mr. Harris also hates those people who like him. Taplov finds it funny finds it funny that in spite of all the crankiness, he somehow likes Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplov recalls an incident when Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classic jokes. It was in Latin. Okay, once Mr. Crocker Harris made one of his classical jokes. but the joke was in Latin language, so nobody laughed. Out of sheer courtesy, Taplov laughed at the joke. Out of giving respect, Taplov laughed at the joke. This proved to be a bad move by Taplov. So Mr. Crocker Harris complimented him by saying that Taplov's Latin had improved greatly. Mr. Crocker Harris then asked Taplov to explain the joke to the whole class. Just then, the doors opens and the Millie Crocker Harris enters. Okay, now we are moving to the next point, that is Millie Crocker Harris bring relief to Taplov. Millie Crocker Harris, Mr. Crocker Harris' wife, is a thin woman in her late 30s. She is smartly dressed, unlike other schoolmaster's wife. She comes in unnoticed. Still, Taplov was imitating Mr. Crocker Harris when Mr. Frank noticed her and broke off suddenly. They scared with the entrance of Millie because at that time Taplov was imitating Mr. Crocker Harris. Taplov gets frantic and asks Mr. Frank if Millie Crocker Harris could have heard their conversation about Mr. Crocker. Mr. Frank thinks that she did. Taplov fears that if she tells anything to Mr. Crocker Harris, then he will surely get a bad result. Then Millie Crocker Harris asked Taplov if he was waiting for her husband. She further informs him that her husband is busy at the bursars and might get late. She asks him to leave, but Taplov is doubtful and say Mr. Crocker Harris had particularly asked him to come. Then she advises him to go away for a quarter of an hour and then come back. Taplov is scared and asks what if Mr. Crocker Harris comes back. So this shows how disciplined Taplov is. Millie Crocker Harris gives him relief by saying that she'll take the blame. She gives him a prescription and sends him to the chemist to get it filled. Convinced, Taplov accepts the proposal and leaves happily. So this is how Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris bring relief to Taplov. So if we'll talk about the theme of this play, this extract from a play highlights the attitude of a teenage student toward his teacher. His comments are shocking because they are very close to the truth. He calls the teacher almost inhuman, though not a sadist. Yes, he calls Mr. Crocker Harris almost inhuman. But he also said that he is not a sadist person. He is not that kind of person who takes pleasure by giving pain to others. He is not a sadist. He is mortally afraid of his teacher because his promotion depends on his teacher's goodwill. When another teacher encourages him, the students become more frank. It appears that the teacher was strict and seemed to hate people who likes him. This reflects the teacher's qualities too. So this is there in the play Browning version. I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.